Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the hair in this video is from Hairvivi, and I've heard a lot of good things about Hairvivi, so I definitely wanted to try it out, see for myself. And this is all the stuff that comes in the box: the wig cap, a comb, the card with all of the description and everything on it, and the comb, like I said, and the wig and some clips, of course. So this is the wig fresh out of the box. I'm just showing you guys this part to show you that this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. So I'm taking it out of the bag and I'm going to just show you guys that it's literally fresh out of the box. If you guys can already kind of see the hairline and the part and everything, it's super natural. The knots are bleached, it's pre-plucked, there's baby hairs already created, and it just looks really, really nice. And I'm gonna get a close-up for you guys. So this is the wig fresh out of the box. Now, if you guys know anything about me, I suck at applying wigs. A lot of people think that my wigs look really good, but that's because I don't do like full frontal looks ever. I always have a middle part, so that's all I really worry about is the middle. Underneath, it looks like a hot mess, but yes, this is a wig fresh out of the box, and it's pretty natural, really, really nice. So we're gonna see how I do when I'm applying it. So I have the wig on my head. As you can see, there's the baby hairs. The lace is a really nice natural color, matches my skin to an extent. The part looks really good, but the lace is a little bit lighter. So later on in the video, you'll see me add some foundation. But here I am cutting off the lace, and this part was a little bit difficult for me. It was really hard to cut it while it's on my head. I'm usually used to cutting it like off of my head, but I wanted to see the shape of the hairline up against my hair, so that's why I'm cutting it on my head. But yeah, this is a really, really nice hairline. It looks really nice. My braids were a little chunky under there, so the wig could have laid a lot flatter, like in the back, and it would have been a lot closer to the front. But the braids in the back of my head were super chunky, and I don't know, I feel like this wasn't the best wig application video because, for one, like I said, I don't do this, and I thought it'd be perfect for someone who is like a beginner, literally, to show you guys how to put it on, because a lot of these videos, it's like people who are very experienced and really good at it, you know? So I'm just here to show you how it would go if you were someone who doesn't really apply wigs like me. So this is me adding the foundation. Um, this was my first time ever doing this method. I did the stocking cap method one other time in my lime green hair video, and it was okay. I also did it in the pink video, but that literally I recorded those videos in the same day. So that was the only time I've ever done this method. So I mean, I don't think it looks terrible. As you can see, the lace is pretty natural in the front. I definitely could have cut off a lot more lace, but like I said, this was my first time, so please forgive me. So as you can see, I'm just going in and cutting off more of the stocking cap and more of the lace because it's just too far up my forehead, really. So I've never done this method either, but we're gonna see. This was a huge mistake because I sprayed it on the wig cap, which started to slide back. Like, you can't tell, but I can feel it sliding back on my head because it's, you know, making that area wet, and obviously it's gonna lift. So that's why I really like quickly put the wig on and blow dried it so it would stay. Um, I didn't want to do the got to be glued method or whatever because I just didn't want to. I wasn't planning on keeping this wig on all day because I had other videos to film. But yeah, this method I think works pretty darn well. Just using the spray. It's very strong hold. I had this on for some hours actually after I recorded this. But as you can see, I'm not going to really lay the entire front of the wig down because, like I said, I'm not going to have the wig on for too long. But yeah, this part was where I realized I should have cut off way more lace, but it is what it is. And I'm using the comb to kind of help me, you know, press it down and whatnot. But as you can see, if I was actually good at applying the wig, it would look really, really nice because the hairline is very nice and natural. If you want to go in and pluck more hair, you definitely can, but I ain't got time for that. So yeah. So now I'm just taking the baby hairs that they created already for you, and I'm just, creating something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do what I do with my baby hairs. And as you can see, the part looks really, really good. That was one of the areas where I wish I would have, got rid of some of that lace, but it is what it is. I didn't do the ear tab area because, like I said, I'm not keeping this on for too long. So yeah, but I literally would have done the same method that I did in the front on the sides with the hairspray. So yeah, this is me just, trying to do something with the baby hairs. So I did come back and change my shirt because I didn't know if the hair was like blending in with the sweater. So that's why I changed. But this is a electric hot comb that I got from Amazon. Literally, if you wear wigs, this is like the best invention of all time. You need to get one. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below if I find it. I'm pretty sure it's still on there. But yeah, I'm just using this to flatten down the top of the wig, and then I'm just gonna brush it out and whatnot. So now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just kind of like straighten it out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, and this flat iron is from Amazon as well. I purchased this like a few months ago and I freaking love it. It is I can't think of the name, but it's a really, really good flat iron. I was reading the reviews and everyone loved it. It was very popular with the like curly girls and the girls who have really thick hair. So that's why I got it, because my natural hair is really, really thick. And I love this flat iron. It gets the hair really straight. It looks really good, as you can see, the before and after. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Yes, you guys can see the cap underneath there, but that's okay. As long as I don't go outside and the wind don't blow, I'll be good, all right? So yeah, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing over and over. And I had a little lump right here, so I'm just going to go in with the hot comb and flatten that baby out and continue to straighten the hair. So this is the final look. I think I did okay. Definitely not the best one on YouTube, so don't follow what I do or what I say. But nonetheless, this wig is beautiful. I love the parts, and it's just really, 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 really